Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a chat or conversation in Hangouts. So Hangouts is a chat feature in Gmail that you can use. The Hangout is located at the left panel here. As you can see, Hangout, this one's right here. And if you guys want to delete a chat on conversation, you need to click on a chat with a person. For example, I want to delete this conversation. So what you need to do is you can see you cannot see the delete option in here, but you need to go to the settings, this one's right here, and you'll see there is a delete a conversation option in here. So you can just click on that, and then that please note that you will permanently lose your copy of this conversation history. So when you're sure, you just need to click on delete. Okay, so just wait, and you can see the chat is gone, or the conversation is now gone. And that's all for me. That is how you can delete conversation in Hangouts. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye.